Pereira's a different cat, man. Did you hear what Mark Goddard said to me in the fight after he fought Khalil Roundtree? Mark Goddard came up to me and goes, mate, the sound it makes when he hits them is ungodly. He goes, I've been doing this for 20 years. He goes, the sound he makes is just different. It's ungodly. He just kept saying that. He wanted to make a point to say this to me. Yeah. He came up to me like immediately when I got into the octagon. He's like, the sound is ungodly. His power is so different. It's so. Do you know, like, Francis hit that punch pad and he got like 127 or whatever? Pereira got 190.
Oh yeah, that.
190.
Yeah.
Do you know how crazy that is?